Hey guys, it's me, Cody. Wanted to do a video of me hunting birds. I didn't get to film the shot, but it was a great shot, one-shot kill. It was a cowbird all the way up there, from all the way over to here with this gun, the Ruger Blackhawk, and I will show you all the bird. I'm pretty sure I hit him in the head because his feathers are ruffled up there. Oh, no. Yep. As you can see, very clean shot. Got a little blood on me. Yeah, but yeah, I'm going to examine the bird real quick. Okay. Not sure if y'all can see that, but right here is where the pellet entered. Very clean shot, broke his windpipe, and was dead on sight. And that's pretty much what I wanted to show y'all. And I'll be back with more hunting videos. And thank you for watching. And I'll be back with more hunting videos in a little while. Cody out. Bye.